everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. Today I wanted to bring you some speed cleaning motivation. I am cleaning up after my son's first birthday party, so many rooms in the house desperately needed help. So come on, join me. If you're cleaning along, I hope this helps. So as you can see, it's taken me a while to scrub down this high chair. That image next to me is actually the high chair that we're thinking of switching to. It's the Antelope high chair by IKEA. It's not that expensive. I think it's about $22, but I really don't want to spend the money on another high chair since obviously we have one and it's working perfectly fine. It's just so hard to clean. So tell me, all you moms out there that are still using high chairs with your kids, do you like yours? Is yours incredibly hard to clean? I'm using really hot water with vinegar and a rag to clean it, but I mean, by the end of the day, you can just barely tell that I've cleaned it. So we're trying to think of ways to make this high chair work for us, but like I said, also considering at the same time switching to that Antelope one by IKEA. So we'll see. But again, please let me know what high chair you're using if you like it, and I will keep you updated on what we decide to do. Now I'm just moving on to cleaning up the living room. It's mostly just toys, and then I'm going to clear off the dining room table too. just getting the bed made, and then I will also be trying to get some of the dog hair off of the comforter. Some of our pillowcases were still in the washer, but didn't want to let that stop me. I love having a made bed. Were you helping me vacuum? Yes. You're a big helper. Thank you. Oh, yeah? Yeah, we need to empty it. There's a lot of dog hair in there. Thanks for your help, buddy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more cleaning videos, please feel free to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. See you soon.